I dive into the top garlic mistakes that seniors need to avoid for better health. Can I figure them all out and share the best tips? As we age, our bodies undergo a series of changes that can affect how we process food, including garlic. Garlic is a superfood that's packed with nutrients and compounds that can help boost our health, from reducing inflammation to supporting heart health. For seniors, incorporating garlic into their diet can be a game changer, but only if used correctly. One of the biggest mistakes seniors make when consuming garlic is underestimating its potency. Garlic is a powerful ingredient that can interact with certain medications, so it's essential to consume it in moderation. Another mistake is using the wrong preparation methods. Raw garlic, for instance, contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its health benefits. However, allicin is easily destroyed by heat, so cooking garlic can reduce its effectiveness. Some seniors also make the mistake of not consuming garlic regularly. To reap the benefits of garlic, it's recommended to consume it daily, but in small amounts. A clove or two per day can make a significant difference. On the other hand, some seniors overconsume garlic, thinking that more is better. This can lead to digestive issues such as heartburn and stomach upset. The way garlic is stored can also affect its potency. Garlic that's not stored properly can lose its flavor and nutritional value quickly. To get the most out of garlic, it's best to store it in a cool, dry place. The most critical mistake seniors make is not consulting with their healthcare provider before adding garlic to their diet. This is especially important for seniors who are taking medications or have underlying health conditions. Garlic can interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners, and exacerbate health issues. In summary, making a few simple changes to how we use garlic can have a significant impact on our health as seniors. By being mindful of garlic's potency, preparation methods, and potential interactions, seniors can harness its benefits and live a healthier life. We'd love to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with garlic that you'd like to share? Perhaps you found a great recipe or have a tip for incorporating garlic into your diet. Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about healthy aging, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and advice.